negotiation mastery. This course is designed for professionals who need to protect value at the negotiating table, not just understand deal mechanics conceptually. Most negotiators enter post-DD sessions without a structured mandate, a quantified walkaway line, or a clear framework for translating findings into demands. They concede on price when they should be protecting on structure, and they let deal heat override analytical discipline. This course fixes that. What you will build across 6 sections and 16 topics. Section 1 covers the strategic setup for post-DD negotiation. You will learn where negotiation begins in the M&A process, how buyer and seller objectives diverge across the 4 negotiation levers, and how to build an IC-ready internal package with guardrails, fallback positions, and a single-sentence deal objective before the first session begins. Section 2 covers building your negotiation strategy from due diligence. You will learn how to convert raw DD findings into price, adjustment, protection, and condition demands, how to build a valuation bridge that defends every price change with transparent mathematical logic, and how to quantify BATNA and set a walkaway line with non-negotiable conditions. Section 3 covers deal economics and risk-sharing mechanics. You will learn how to design working capital and net debt adjustment mechanisms, structure earnout provisions with defined metrics and dispute rules, and protect downside through escrow, indemnification caps, and MAE clauses that create real termination rights. Tactical execution, term sheet, and real-world cases. Sections 4 through 6, from negotiation room to signed term sheet. Section 4 covers tactical negotiation execution. You will learn how to set a psychological anchor with your opening offer, manage concessions using quid pro quo logic and package deal structure, navigate management versus shareholder conflicts without losing momentum, and break through deadlocks without conceding your must-have protections. Section 5 covers term sheet finalization and IC approval. You will learn how to draft a term sheet that locks commercial terms before SPA drafting begins, structure the investment committee memo with a negotiated outcome comparison and risk mitigant matrix, and define fallback positions and walkaway triggers that prevent deal drift in the final execution phase. Section 6 dissects Microsoft's acquisition of LinkedIn in full tactical detail. You will extract transferable principles from one of the most documented competitive negotiation processes in recent history, covering all-cash fixed-price structure, no-shop clause design, termination fee logic, and fast regulatory approval execution. How you will learn. After every topic, you complete a retention quiz to confirm understanding before advancing. Each section includes real-world case study analysis drawn from actual reported transactions. You will analyze deals like LVMH's post-signing reprice of Tiffany, the Fresenius MAE termination of Acorn, Musk's anchoring strategy for Twitter, the VSE earnout structure in a $2 billion deal, and Michael Dell's BATNA leverage in the take-private fight. These are not summaries, they are analytical exercises that require you to apply each negotiation framework to a real deal outcome. This is how deal judgment is built, through repeated application under realistic pressure, not through reading theory. The AI simulation and what you walk away with. AI negotiation simulation, Project Velocity. At the end of this course, you will enter Project Velocity, an AI-powered negotiation simulation where you act as head of corporate development at Apex Motors, acquiring Neural Drive, an autonomous vehicle software startup with open-source IP risk, and a founder determined to protect independence. You will face 10
14. Drafting the term sheet and key commercial terms. Understanding binding versus non-binding provisions. Term sheets serve as the roadmap from negotiation to Part 2. Structuring purchase price components. The term sheet. Part 3. Defining payment mechanics. Payment mechanics specify when money moves and through what mechanisms. Closing payment. Part 4. Applying term sheet principles to Micron acquisition. JC Enos prepares the term sheet after reaching agreement with Micron on all major terms. The term sheet specifies that only exclusivity, confidentiality,